In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Killer Bean Unlimited Life. So you can get it to play right now. So watch the video from beginning to end to get this Killer Bean Unlimited Life. Click on Story Mode right now. Yes, click on Story Mode. Click on Level 2. Click on Level 2. Play level. Next. As you can see, my life is 100 seat there. You can see each time the bullet catch your life decreasing. So my life is at 100 before. Now each time the bullet catch me, my life is going down. Right here, my life is at 80. Right here. Now what we're going to do right now, we're going to move to the far end of the map. We're going to move to the far end of the map, guys. So let's show you how it's done. So right here, guys, you're going to try your best, try to make your life do not run out. Right here, guys. So I'm going to move right to the far end of the map. This yellow player, we're going to shoot this yellow player and kill that yellow player. Yes, so we defeat that yellow player now, guys. Right now, at first you don't want to take that too hard that I killed that yellow player. That art that I'm pointing on, guys, we're not going to take it. Yes, we're going to wait until 10 art, then fall on the extra art on the floor. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to let this player carry down our life to 10%. Yes, after they carry down our life from 10%, we're going to fall on the floor now, guys. So right here, we're going to bet this blue player carry down our life to 10%, then I fall on the life. Now press on pause immediately. As you fall on the floor, click on pause immediately, guys. Now you're going to click on menu. Yes, this account that I'm doing want to give me unlimited life. No, click on menu. No, when you click on menu, now you're going to click on play, guys. Click on play. Yes, right here I'm going to select story mode. Select level 2. Yes, select level 2. Now you're going to click on play level. That is the green word. Yes, click on play level. Right now, you're going to click on next. You see load, then you click on next. Now the map is loading up now, guys. As you can see right here, the blue player is shooting me. My life is not moving. As you can see, guys, my life is not moving. That killer bean life is not moving. Guys, you see that trick that I do before make my life is not moving? Now I'm going to give you the website now to download this killer bean bulletproof app, guys, and try that trick. So go on the website. Now I'm going to give you a website to download it, guys. So watch the video and don't skip out any part of it. I'll show you how to download it from the website. Now I pinned a link in my comment section. Now you want to go there and click on that blue link that I'm pointing on, guys. Go and click on it in my comment section right now. So you're going to click on that blue word right now. It's going to lead you to our website. So click on it. So when you click on the link in my comment section, it's going to lead you to this website. It's 100% working, everyone. This website right now. Yes, the link in my comment section going to direct you to this page now, everyone. Now you're going to scroll down till you see that green button, download, right now. So you're going to click on that green button, says download. Watch I click on it now, guys. Tap on that green button. Yeah, see download file, then you click on details. So when you click on details, you're going to see this face off right over here. Files keep on top on the files, guys, till you see install. So I want to tap on it again. No, you see install it. No, the next option you want to click on install. So you want to tap on install now, guys. Now you want to see the file is installed in. So I am waiting on it until it complete, guys. So wait on it till you see it done or open. So I going to wait on this file until it. So I'll tap on open right now. Tap on open. Now you're going to see this app is loading up now, everyone. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly for me. So this is the app is opening up, meaning Killer Bean Unleashed is open up now, everyone. So right here now, I want to turn on the permission. So every app that you don't know, they know that you have to turn on permission for them to work. So I'm waiting on this permissions icon to load up. Simple way I find the permission for Killer Bean only. So I'm going to turn on it to blue. So click on the permission to blue now. Now we can now enjoy our gameplay right now, everyone. Now we can enjoy your gameplay. Yes, I finished download that Killer Bean Unlimited Life app from that website that I put in my comment section now, guys. Right here, you're going to select play. So click on play now, guys. Story mode right now. Yes, click on story mode. Click on level 2. Click on level 2. Play level. Next. As you can see, my life is 100. Yes, guys. Like how I show you the check, guys. You know that you're going to move to the far end of the map. And then you're going to let that player shoot here. Then you fall on the art on the ground. Then you click on pause immediately. Then you click on menu. Then you're going to get unlimited life, guys. Try the trick that I show you in the first part of this video. So if you don't remember, you can fast forward the video to see it, guys. As I am saying, you're going to move to the far end of the map and try out all of this trick that I teach you in the first part of this right now, guys. So don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video on the screen. Press the video on the screen if you want to get unlimited bullet. Yes, so press the video on the screen to get unlimited bullet there, guys. See you over there how to get unlimited bullet on the screen.